a meeting with our DG, ADG, and DG Law and Order regarding the recent incidents that took place in Shillong. You are all aware that in the last few weeks there have been a number of incidents where certain locations, IED bombs were planted in East Gentry Hills as well as in Shillong, where the incident that took place in Shillong, certain individuals were also injured. After the incidents that took place in East Gentry Hills, inquiry had started into individuals who were involved in this, and the police had made all-out efforts to find the people involved and take appropriate steps to ensure that these don't happen in the future. But in the process, many people were arrested. And while that happened, again on 10th of August, we had an incident in Limukra, in a very, very busy market area or locality where a blast took place. After the blast took place, the police had intensified the investigations that were taking place. After going into a large amount of information and doing detailed investigation, the police had found credible and tangible evidence of involvement of a large number of people, including the individual who died a few days back. Based on this credible information, the police had made their strategy on how to move forward. In the meantime, from multiple agencies, we received credible information that another attempt was going to be made in the next few days in Shillong. And this is not just our agencies, but other agencies also. Once those agencies and our own information and intel gave us the threat of another attempt, which would then definitely risk the lives of the citizens of our state, the police decided to move swiftly in order to ensure that no other incidents take place in Shillong or any other part of the state. And in the process, they moved forward to make an arrest. It was never the intention of the police to harm any individual. But in the process, if the arrest was made, it would rather be in the interest of the police department, as they would be able to get more credible information on other networks that possibly are there. But as you're aware, that the circumstances led to the unfortunate incident that happened a few days back. The SP has submitted the report, which is as per mandated by the National Human Rights Commission within 48 hours. After this report is submitted, there will be ministerial inquiry, which also is under process, and that report will be submitted. And based on that, the the National Human Rights Commission will look into the matter and inquire the matter. I felt that it is important at this point in time that we appeal to everybody that at this point in time we must maintain peace in Shillong City and in the state as a whole. Whatever the police or whatever the government is doing is in the interest of the safety of the citizens of the state. And therefore, once again, I appeal to everybody